Hi guys, how you doing? My name is Rich Guzman and welcome to Ace and Rich Freedom by Design. Today is step 5. We're going to talk about what to do when you finish the bootcamp training in the back office of the Super Affiliate Network. However, yesterday we talked about the actual products in this system and the benefits of having them, right? So today we're going to talk about what to do when we get to that last module in the bootcamp and what's next, okay? So without further ado, let's get rocking. So I'm going to actually log in. And we're going to get to the back office here. And I'm going to go over to the tab where it says Bootcamp. We have Phase 1 that we talked about in the previous video, Phase 2, and Phase 3. Now, when you get to the end, you'll be on Module 18. When you get to Module 18, it's going to look like this. You're going to see, you're going to watch the video. You're going to click here to register now. You're going to actually put your biggest takeaway, right? We talked about that in the first video, remember? And then we're going to hit Submit, all right? Now, it says right here, warning, do not click the button below until you finish the video above. So make sure you watch the video and follow the steps I just shared with you. Once you finish that, you're going to click on this button here. It says click here to graduate the bootcamp now. Now, when you click that, you're going to get to this page right here. Congratulations, you've graduated. How to find your links and begin promoting, okay? So you're going to watch this video, okay? And you're going to actually have a badge right here. It says, after you get registered for the Fast Start webinar above, be sure to share it in the Facebook group and share it with everyone that you completed the bootcamp. Right here, this is your actual badge that you could put on the private community, so that way you could share that you finished the bootcamp, right? So now, what happens after you finish? What happens after you click, I'm done? Well, a new section of the website is going to open up. It's going to show the partners area. It's going to show my business, partners blog, and leaderboard, okay? Now, when you click on my business, it looks like this. And you'll see that it changes color. You have like the dashboard. You have the stat section there, referrals, payouts, my links, my sponsor, my team, my leads, car bonus, leaderboards, and settings, okay? So guys, stay tuned. In the next video, I'm going to break down exactly each tab for you so you know exactly what to do, okay? So that's in the next video, and that's going to be step number 6, all right? So guys, like I said before in the previous video, if you've been on the fence and you're looking for a home to actually learn marketing and really find out how to really get true results in your business, or if you're brand new, you've never done this before, and you want to learn how to get results, step inside the Super Affiliate Network for $1. We have a special trial offer going on right now that once you get inside, you can start the bootcamp, start the training, and follow the steps exactly what I've been sharing with you in these previous videos, so you're doing things step by step the right way, okay? So with that being said, guys, my name is Rich Guzman. Don't forget about tomorrow's video. We're going to talk about exactly all these tabs, what they mean, so you know exactly what to do, all right? I'll see you on the inside, guys. Take care.